Alright, let's go to the beach.
Get wrecked, suckers!
Oh, I'm stuck.
Oh,
I'm stuck,
no.
Taco.
Oh my god.
It's like, why doesn't he want to drive by?
And then Jay kills me. Doesn't give a fuck.
He's a dick.
But I got him. Right in the fucking car seat.
Alright.
Night, bitch.
Oh, let me get a job. Yes.
Yeah, you get a job, bitch.
Oh, okay, never mind. Just kidding.
Nah, fuck this.
Jay, why can't I trust you?
This is a gang attack, right? Oh! Piece of shit. How'd you not kill me, by the way? You know. Fuck, are you trying to snipe me? You fuck. Are you missing?
Nope.
No.
Oh, fucking Jay.
Fuck. I got a job, hold on.
I got a job too. It's called murdering you.
Oh my god, Taco. Well, this is what I'm gonna do the whole night.
Come on, Jay. Let's do this. Oh, fuck! You trapped me! What is this shit? What the
I
fuck?
didn't even mean to jump off. That's by accident.
Oh
And
my
I was
god,
like,
that was super badass.
I swear to God, Taco, if you fucking kill me, I swear to God, I'll kill you 10 times over.
Yeah?
Let me accept the job so we can be together and everyone. Did you put it there?
I don't know how that got you. I'm actually pretty amazed. Oh, you're strong, Jay. You don't see me? I see you. Ow. The fuck? Okay, I won't do it. I won't do it. I won't do it.
I got him again for your shitty driving. It's like, oh, this Asian.
Fuck you, Jay.
Deposit the fake bitch. So yeah, you keep ways of getting money in rep. Easiest, steal cars. Better condition it is. Require different values. Has it been a full day yet?
I'm sorry, what? You're never gonna catch me, Jay. Fuck.
You wanna go with the car? Like, you are so fucking silly guy. Oh, listen. I just dropped it. Really?
No.
Cops definitely see us.
Yeah, I'm paying attention. Don't worry. I'm paying attention.
Open the door for us, sir.
My God.